Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Structural. Today we will learn how to join two toposite side by side using ArcGIS. So let's get started. ArcGIS interface, I have added the two toposite number 55B9 and 55B10. As you can see, this is the 55B9 and this is 55B10. I have already georeferenced these two toposites. You can also check by go to the georeferencing and B9, and this is my georeferenced point. I have already georeferenced. You can also check my previous video of how to georeference the toposite. I will add in my description link. You can go and check how to georeference. Okay, I have georeferenced the both the toposites, and now we will merge to one. Okay, now you can also check the georeference or not. You can go to the any one of the corners of the toposite and place the cursor to the that corner, and you can check the lat long of this point is same as the written on the toposite. Okay, now my first step is to georeference, then crop this toposite so that we can mosaic the two toposite. You can click the image, or you can also I will go to the drawing, select the polygon. Okay, point out on the four corners. First you have to extract this area of interest from the scan toposite, then we will merge into one using mosaic command. Okay, double click on it. As you can see, your rectangle is created. Go to the drawing and convert to the feature. As you can see, my feature is created. In this way, you can create for 55B10. Now create polygon for this sheet. These all are the easy steps to join the two adjacent toposites. If you have any query, you can click on write on the my comment section. I will clear all of your doubts. And please join to our YouTube channel and support my videos. Okay, now I've created this of also 55B10, and now I will convert to the graphics. Okay, now delete this one. As you can see, your both the graphics are created. Now, okay, now go to the arc toolbox and go to the extract by mask, or you can also extract by polygon. Select the raster. I will select as a 55B9, and you can also extract by coordinate. I will go to the extract by mask. 55B9, and I will select as a converted graphics. This is my boundary of 55B9, and click on the OK. As my extract by mask command is running, we will wait so that our toposet will be extracted by using the extract by mask command. You can also go to the, if you will not want to create the polygon, you have to write down your 4 corner points and extract by polygon features you can extract. Okay, as you can see, your toposet is extracted. Now we will do the same process for 55B10, and click OK, and again wait for the extraction process. As you can see, the 55B10 topos is also extracted. Now we will merge the both the toposet. Go to the data management tool, then go to raster, then go to data raster dataset. In this you can see the mosaic to new raster. Click on the mosaic to new raster and select both the extracted your toposets. You can select the output location. Okay, and give your extension extract merge dot if. Special reference you can give. For special reference you can check from these toposets, because this is already georeferenced. This is 43N. You can set to 43N. Okay. Number of bands. You can check the number of bands. Number of bands is 3. Okay, now we'll set as a 3. Now click, and this is the optional. And pixel type you can also check from the properties. Pixel depth 16-bit. 16-bit unsigned. Click on the OK and wait for the your toposet to be merged. As your mosaic to new raster command is running, as you can see, your both of the toposets are merged now. You can also check the features. Your toposet is features is matched or merged or not. As you can see, your streams and rivers is merged to accurately. Both the toposets is now merged. In this way you can mosaic the two adjacent toposets, and by repeating these steps you can merge the several toposet of your area of interest. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my channel.